Hi, this is a video about the if statement in typist, which I just kind of realized about. Um, so I'm going to define a variable called course. So I have some typist slides here that I would use for two different courses, one at the third year level and one at the fourth and fifth year level. That's the three that's this line 4 and line 5. So I have a slide here which you can see, excerpt from the course notes. This applies only to the fourth and fifth year class. And so I can just do this. Um, and if I save it, you'll see that that slide has gone away. Um, I'll probably keep this slide because I think it's really good. Probably better, to be honest, for my third year class than my fourth year class. So I think what I might do is to say that I would show that only my third year class. So it's still there, but if I pop over and make this into the fourth year class version, you see that it's gone. And I'll find another image, probably an image of a mixing fluid, or maybe an instrument that we use, something like that. Well, that's the end of the video. Use hash let to define some variable. Here, the variable name is course. And then you can just do like if, hash, if, etc. And of course, you can do it spells, right? And put other stuff there if you only had two choices. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.